noon, nagre-review siya ng kontrata with some other entity. So that is what's happening. So we called the attention of the PCSO. I hope they modify their behavior. O, di ba? Pag hindi nila gawin yun, well, after na-call na yung attention nila, maybe we're open to graft and corruption cases here.
Pero in the meantime, sir, ngayon, wala pa yung seeming violation dun sa ating graft. Kasi di ba, department sila, they should know that.
Pwedeng meron na, pero hindi ko sinasabi yun. Ang gusto kong sabihin, may na-achieve tayo ngayong hapon, pinoint out natin yun, agree naman daw sila, let us look at their future acts, kung gagawin na ba nila yun by getting clearance from the Office of the President.
Sir, may feedback ng system provider ng electronic na pagtaya, online pagtaya, na nag-start ng December?
Pacific Online.
Yes, sir.